Welcome to NGIVD, where our vision is to transform the future of in vitro diagnostics through innovation, indigenization, and improvement. We are working to redefine the diagnostic landscape through affordable, accessible, and reliable solutions. NGIVD has made remarkable strides since 2015. From securing prestigious grants to collaborating with premier institutions, we have grown by leaps and bounds. Today, we stand with 65 products developed at our dedicated in-house R&D, ready for commercialization, backed by patents and a world-class manufacturing facility. Our product portfolio spans a wide range of diagnostic solutions. Rubase, total decontamination solution for contamination control. Mulberry molecular transport medium for seamless sample collection. IsoPower S and IsoPower M ranges, powered by spin column and magnetic bead technologies for high-quality nucleic acid isolation with ease. NewAmp RT-PCR kits, delivering high sensitivity for bloodborne and infectious diseases. Optiquant clinical chemistry kits for accurate biochemical diagnostics. ViewFlow rapid cards, offering quick, reliable and on-site detection. And Nbind ELISA kits for precise antigen and antibody detection. Our cutting-edge research and development hub fuels transformative breakthroughs in vitro diagnostics. We are developing advanced diagnostic solutions that accelerate performance, elevate sensitivity, minimize assay time, and enable multiplexing capabilities. Committed to delivering groundbreaking technologies, we are transforming patient care, one innovation at a time. At the heart of NGIVD lies our ISO 13485, ISO 9001 certified, and CGMP compliant next-generation manufacturing facility. Our dedicated manufacturing lines for clinical chemistry, immunology, and molecular biology deliver excellence in every product. Our solutions assure quality, speed, and value, enhancing diagnostic accuracy and accessibility. The NGIVD team, with over 350 years of combined expertise in diagnostics and life sciences, drives NGIVD forward. Guided by innovation and excellence, we are shaping a future where healthcare is accessible to all. Join us as we revolutionize diagnostics for a healthier tomorrow. NGIVD. Innovative, indigenized, improved.